Let's go ahead and explore how to use CapCut templates to effortlessly create engaging videos. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your CapCut application on your mobile device. Once the CapCut is opened, you need to log into your account and then direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find a series of tabs. Locate and tap on Templates option that is between Edit and Project. Here you can access a wide array of pre-designed video templates. Now that you're in the templates section, you can begin browsing through the available options. You can scroll through the currently trending templates to see what's popular and eye-catching. Alternatively, if you have a specific type of video in mind, you can utilize the search bar at the top of the screen and enter the keywords related to your desired video style to quickly filter and find relevant templates. After spotting a template that piques your interest, go ahead and tap on it to initiate a preview. And this allows you to see the template in action and determine if it suits your creative vision. Now, if you like what you see, you can decide to proceed and tap on Use Template button in the bottom of the screen and choose a photo or video that you want to use for this template. And you'll be able to use the certain filter or template in CapCut. You can also choose to change the audio if you want. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.